Hello everyone. Welcome to Get Well Physiotherapy. I am Dr. Kamalika Bhattacharya. I'm the Senior Physiotherapist of Get Well Physiotherapy and Foster Healthcare. Today I'm going to show you some strengthening exercises of neck. We get neck pain because of the tight muscles as well as weak muscles. For tight muscles, we need to do stretching exercises that I have already shown in my last video. So today I'm going to show you strengthening exercises for the weak muscles. So when you have little neck pain because of the bad posture, then you can start with those stretching exercises first and do it for 2 to 5 days. And once the pain goes down a little bit, then only you can start with this strengthening exercises. There are many kind of strengthening exercises for neck. Today, the one that I'm going to show you will be static strengthening exercises. Static strengthening exercises means the neck won't be moving. We will keep the neck in one place and we will do strengthening. So let me start. So there are 6 movements for our cervical region, cervical or neck. 6 movements are flexion, extension, 2 side rotation and 2 side bendings. So we have to do the static strengthening first for the flexor muscles which are helping to do the flexion of the neck. So for that, what we have to do is we have to keep our hands here on the forehead and we try to move our neck forward, but instead of moving, we will put this hand on our forehead and we will give some pressure. That means we are giving some resistance to that movement. We try to move our head forward, but we are giving resistance to that movement, giving pressure and then holding this for 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then relax. This is the first movement, that is the strengthening of the flexion. Second will be strengthening of the extension of the neck. So you have to keep your hands behind your head and same way you try to bend your neck backwards and you put pressure with your hand to that movement. You give resistance to that movement. So and holding it like this. And while doing this, you should feel that strain here. That means you are doing it properly. If you are not feeling getting any strain here, that means you are not doing that exercise properly. So you have to give some resistance, there's some pressure and you try to bend your neck backwards. So both will be in the same force. That way the neck will be straight. There won't be any movement, but the muscle will get strengthened. Next will be side bending. 2 side bending. First right side. For right side, my right hand will go here. I will try to bend my neck right side, but with the right hand I will give that resistance. Okay, so and hold for 5 to 10 seconds and you can see your neck is not moving. Next will be left movement. Same way, left hand will be here and you try to move your neck, you try to bend, but you are giving pressure to that movement, you are giving resistance. Okay, and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then last 2 movements are side rotation. So for right side rotation, my right hand will be here. I try to rotate my neck right side, but with right hand I will resist that movement. So it will be like this. And hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Same way, left side movement, you try to resist your left movement and hold it. Always make sure while doing these exercises you will be having some discomfort. That is completely normal. You should feel some strain while doing this exercise. If you are not feeling any strain, that means this exercise you are not doing it properly. And repeat every movement at least 8 to 10 times. So these are the strengthening exercises. If you do these strengthening and stretching exercises, I'm sure you won't be having any neck pain from bad posture, from bending neck and all. If you get that pain, if you do these exercises, you will be completely fine. If you have any problem, if you feel numbness, tingling and giddiness, numbness, tingling sensation through your hand, then you have to go to an orthopedic doctor or orthopedic physiotherapist. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.